Hello reigning one, welcome to my channel. This is Shelita Williams, and today I want to show you how to make one of our household staple recipes, and that is vegan lentil soup. It's one we always have on hand because it is super delicious and yet it is easy to make. So if you're interested in that, stick around. You never have too much time. On the carrot tip, I'm cheating. I'm going to just use these carrots that I already have, honey. Okay, then you're going to need to chop up some onions, and I give everything a rough chop because my husband likes all the vegetables to be chunky. So a lot of it is going to be blended anyway, and don't take any knife skills from me, lessons from me, okay? I'm just gonna put that together because it's all gonna start off cooking together. Okay, and I'm going to cut up a tomato, but I'm gonna put the tomato in a different, just in a container all by itself because they're not gonna cook with the onions. So for our seasonings, and I'm just going to go ahead and measure them out and put them in, but I just wanted to show you cumin, coriander, cardamom, ginger, and salt and pepper. I'm going to show you how easy this is. Okay, so I showed you all the ingredients except for the broth, and we're just going to pretty much, and of course, the star of the show, lentils. So we're gonna put all this together and just get with it. Did you know that lentils are an excellent source of B vitamins, magnesium, iron, potassium, and zinc? They're also a great source of plant-based protein and fiber. Yes, girl. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just heat up some oil so that I can saute my carrots, onions, and celery. Now we're going to saute this until the onions are translucent. Okay, Hante. Why does it look darker or something? Alright, anyway, now we're going to add all our seasonings. And we're going to let them cook maybe about 1 minute until they are fragrant. Now, tomatoes. My husband say, you in there talking to yourself. We're going to add all of our broth. Okay, so now we give it a little taste test, and make sure we have all our seasonings in there to the right proportion. Oh my God. This soup is so good, it's ridiculous. Okay, so we're gonna stick blend. If you don't have a stick blend, you can take it out in batches and put it in your food processor. But remember, if you want some to be chunky still, then don't put all of it into the food processor. And same as when you stick blend, don't just go crazy with it. You want some chunks still. Don't blend it up no more?
I like the chunk crunch.
I know. Okay, there you go. Okay. Well, there you go. That's how you like it. I'll show you it in a moment. So let's get a little. I think that's perfect. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content where I share vegan recipes, health and wellness tips, and what I'm doing out in Rain Gardens, which is my backyard garden, then subscribe, like, comment, share. And if you so happen to make this recipe, then do tag me on Instagram, and all of the links will be in the description box. The recipe links will be in the description box. And don't forget to live your dreams, achieve your goals, and reign in health and wellness. Bye-bye. I share vegan recipes, health and wellness tips, and what I'm doing over in my garden, then thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Oh my God. If you're along my garden pretty much on a daily basis, then subscribe to me or friend me, whatever. What is it? Follow me. There you go. Okay, follow a sister on Instagram. Thank you.